students, how are you and how's your study going on? I hope that you all will be studying at your home and doing creative works at your home. On the behalf of Paramount Public School, today I am going to teach you another new topic named debate writing. Are you ready to learn? Let's start with our topic debate writing. Debate writing. A formal discussion on a particular matter in a public meeting or legislative assembly in which opposing arguments are put forward and which usually ends with a vote. Look at the example. Last night debate on education bill. It means it is a formal discussion or on a particular matter or a public meeting. So tips to attempt a question on debate writing I am going to teach you. The first and the foremost step is to choose the side, whether you want to write for or against the motion. Always try to select the side you personally want to support and have more material information to write on. Okay, it is preferably to make a choice during the reading time. Now, an ideal debate must consist of 4 paragraphs. Like we have already discussed in speech and article also, the 4 paragraphs are ideal for these writing composition. Introduction, salutations. Second, problem. Third, solution. And fourth, the conclusion. Let us discuss each of them in detail. Introduction. This includes salutations and the topic, including for or against the motion. For example, good morning everyone, esteemed judges, honorable guests, respected teachers and my fellow students. I, name of the person given in the question or else if not given then XYZ, feel honored to have been given the opportunity to speak for or against the topic, and then name of the topic must be mentioned in first paragraph. Then second paragraph, body, where we describe problem. This is the main paragraph or the body of your answer. Always begin with the meaning of the topic or explanation of the topic in not more than a line. Okay, then start quoting the issues. Now here it is important you follow a sequence. Okay, it is possible that you have too many points and very few points. When you have a lot of varied points, it is better you to choose a few best ones and write a line on each. In case you have very few, already explain them in at least 2 lines each. If you are having more thoughts, then took some few best, and if you are having only few thoughts, then explain them in at least 2 lines. Then make sure you are clear with your thoughts. Only then you will be able to put them into words unambiguously. Okay. Then third paragraph came solution. For every problem there is a solution. This paragraph needs to be short and crisp, whereby you are supposed to give a rational and practical solution for all the above problems. In case you are not able to figure one out, keep in mind a few general ones. It could involve spreading awareness, campaigns, strength, laws and their strict implementation or education etc. They could be used as a solution also. Using a quote never hurts. It can be general ones like on working together. Every situation can be faced and solved if there is unity. So here are few handy ones on unity. Look, wherever there is unity, there is always victory, or unity is strength. United we stand, divided we fall, and many more you could also give as handy expressions. Conclusion. This part involves clarification of your statement and stands along with thanking the audience for being such patient listeners. This paragraph needs to be short and precise. Here also, you could add some glitter to your art piece with some quotes. Like I have taken one quote here, the word impossible itself says I am possible. Now students, sample debate writing we are going to discuss in short only. You are Mukul Mahima of Alps Public School. Your school has organized a debate on social media and its effect, and you will be participating from your school. Prepare your views against or in favor of the motion. How we will start, I just going to tell you the starting, and the further explanation will be done by you. Look, firstly the heading, social media and its effects, and for the motion Mukul or Mahima is going to speak here. You could also choose against the motion, as I have already told you that in which area personally you have information regarding the same content, then you can talk about them. Look, we are all now connected by the internet like neurons in a giant brain. Honorable judges, teachers, and my worthy opponents, thank you for giving me the opportunity to join this debate on the topic social media and its effects. I am Mukul Mahima and I would like to speak in favor of the motion of the topic social media and its effect. Then you will explain the topic in one paragraph, and in second paragraph you will explain the solution, and then at last thank you, which is very mandatory. I hope students you got the format and you would be able to write debate your own self. Thank you. Thanks for watching.